Okay, I guess we should do video instead of photo for sturdiness check. It's heavy. It's very sturdy. This is as far as the drawer comes out. But let me see, can I show you? I don't know. You can see like back in the corner how deep it is. But yeah, it's very sturdy. Very sturdy desk. It didn't take my husband long to put it together either. And the instructions are like super simple enough. I will say this, and I told my husband he has not yet tested. I'll post something else when he does. He has not yet tested the motor function for the standing portion. But when he does, I encouraged him to read the reviews. A lot of people complained about the functioning, the standing lift function. And there was one person in the reviews that made mention about you putting it together properly to make sure that these functions worked for you. So make sure that you're taking your time putting it together. Read the reviews, read your manual good, and don't just rush because you're like a kid in a candy store excited. Just take your time putting it together. It's a really nice desk. I actually decided to get him this one for his business because I went to the dentist, and I'm a case management coordinator, and they had these desks for us at the dentist's office in the case manager's office, and they were so nice. Like to be able to put my phone down, let it charge, and everything right there. I could stand up if I needed to from sitting all day. Yeah, I was sold once I saw his. So take your time putting them together.